Chururut! Okay, game ito ha. Si Epi, papillon siya with the baby. With the baby yan ha. And the details of the small bag is still clean, no cracks. And the big one, no cracks. No good condition, no cracks on the edge. And over here, no cracks, maganda siya. And over here, no cracks, maganda siya. And inside part, meron siyang dust bag, free dust bag po mga madam for this item. Ayan, inside, bango naman siya. And this is the inside part, look. Siya, inside part, okay. And, meron to, sure naman to na may sure yan na meron siyang data code. No worry.